Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disable revenue on a non-sales pipeline in Copper CRM. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your Copper account. And then here, as you can see, we have these types of pipelines, okay? We have the sales pipeline that got the $sign, and the projects pipeline that got the briefcase, and some other pipelines, okay? So in here, as you can see, I have this pipeline, which is a project management pipeline, okay? Now what we'll do is just click on it. Now to disable the revenue on a non-sales pipeline, we'll just go ahead over to the top left and click on the gear icon. I'm just going to zoom in, okay? Right here at the top right, click on the gear icon or settings icon. Now go ahead and scroll down, and here you have sales tracking, okay? It says here, use sales statuses and reports for pipeline, and enabling this setting will treat records in the pipeline as sales objects with sales-specific statuses. One lost, abandoned, sales reports and calculations. Now to finally disable it, we have this slider, okay? You gotta want to click on it, and it is now turned off, okay? And as you might have noticed, when we turned off, the $sign right here will be lost as well, okay? Right here at the top as well. And that's basically it. Now if you're happy with it, you now go ahead and click on X at the top right, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.